Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health Oasis. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects many of us or someone we know. Snoring. Have you ever wondered why we snore? Well, you're in the right place because today, we'll explore the fascinating reasons behind snoring. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. First things first, what exactly is snoring? Snoring is the noisy sound that occurs when our airflow is partially blocked during sleep. It can be a nuisance for both the snorer and their partner. Now, let's get into the reasons behind snoring. Reason 1. Anatomy and genetics. Some people are simply more prone to snoring due to their throat anatomy or genetics. A narrow throat, enlarged tonsils, or an elongated uvula can all contribute to snoring. Reason 2. Age. As we age, our throat muscles tend to relax more, increasing the likelihood of snoring. That's why snoring often becomes more common as we get older. Reason 3. Obesity. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can put pressure on the airways, leading to snoring. Losing weight can help reduce or eliminate snoring in some cases. Reason 4. Alcohol and sedatives. Alcohol and certain medications relax the throat muscles, making snoring more likely after consumption. Avoiding this before bedtime can help. Reason 5. Sleeping position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, narrowing the airway and leading to snoring. So, what can you do if you or your partner snores? Well, there are several solutions, including lifestyle changes, anti-snoring devices, and even surgery in severe cases. Remember, snoring is a common issue with various causes, but understanding the reasons behind it is the first step toward finding a solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thanks for tuning in to Health Oasis. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, sleep well and snore less.